Here we got is a 2011 Ford F-150, a 6.2 liter rough idle. When you hop in to the truck and you start it up, see how it idles there. You hear it? Listen. See, sometimes you put it in drive, park. You put it in drive right now, runs like crap. Goes down to, sometimes it stalls. Let's try to get it to stall real quick. Yeah, she don't want to stall. Sometimes she'll stall at a Dunkin' parking lot or something. We've replaced camshaft, crankshaft, sensors, O2 sensor, all the O2 sensors, fuel pump, fuel filter, spark plugs and wires, canister purge valve, mass airflow. Oh, we've done so much to this truck, and sometimes Ford tells them to deal with it or get a new engine. All over online. Everything you find online, I think it's something with the PCM. What? See how it just did that? Sometimes it usually idles at 500 like it's doing now, and then it goes up. Usually it's supposed to sit there at just 500, but it should not be down there. And the truck shakes like, what? Watch the door on it. Now you They've replaced so much crap on this truck, and yet it still runs so bad. Runs like shit. So a lot of people online say their truck runs so bad, just like this, with the Raptors too. If any of you know what's wrong, leave a comment. Thanks.